Do you set your alarm? Do you hit snooze many times? You wake up late. You feel bad. Maybe you try to wake up early. It does not work. You think, I am not a morning person. But what if your first hour can change your whole day? This is possible.
Leo lived this every day. He was 16. His mornings were a mess. His bag was never ready. Homework was often lost. He did not eat breakfast. He was always late for school. He ran fast, but he always lost the race. He felt sad each morning. One day, Leo ran out the door. He held toast. He saw the bus. It drove away. Leo groaned. He dropped his toast. He saw Maya. She was his friend. She stood calm at the stop. She waved to the bus. Leo thought, how does she do it? The next day, Maya came to Leo. She held a small book. She had a pen. Maya smiled. She said, "My grandma says, meet the morning. Try one small thing tonight." Leo looked at the book. He looked at Maya. He felt a little curious. Could this help? That night, Leo looked at the bright book. He chose to try Maya's idea. He took out his clothes. He put them on a chair. He packed his bag. Books went inside. His drawing pad went in too. It took 10 minutes. He turned off the light. He felt ready. This was new. The next morning, Leo hit snooze. He did it many times. He got out of bed. He saw his packed bag. This was good. The rush was less. At the bus stop, Maya saw him. She smiled. She asked, "Do one thing for you before school starts?" For 5 days, Leo did this. He packed his bag. He laid out clothes. He drew in his book for 10 minutes. He still woke at 8 a.m., but his mornings were calm. He caught the bus 3 times. This was his best. He felt good. Things changed. Leo felt strong. He tried a big thing. On Saturday, he set his alarm for 6 a.m., but he hit snooze. He woke at 9 a.m. He felt bad again. He told Maya, "I cannot do it. I am not a morning person." He felt sad. His good start felt weak. Maya smiled at Leo. "It is not the time," she said. "It is what you do. Your body has a clock." She showed him her phone. It talked about body clocks. Each person has one. "Your best morning is your morning," she said. Leo looked. He saw a new idea. Leo learned about his body's clock. He made a new plan. He woke up 15 minutes earlier each week. He drank water. He packed his bag. He laid out clothes. He drew for 10 minutes. He woke at 7:30 a.m. He felt good. He felt strong. It was not a race. Leo changed. He used to rush out. Now his bag was neat. He had a drawing. He smiled. He felt good. His schoolwork got better. Teachers saw his focus. He even helped Maya. He helped her with homework on the bus. His mornings were good. They made his day good. Do you hit snooze? Think of Leo. Your first hour is for you. It is not about a clock time. It is about your choices. Take one small step, then take another. Your morning starts your day. Make it good. What will you do with your first hour?